Experience cinematic brilliance at home with stunning visuals and immersive sound. The best 75-inch televisions deliver exceptional picture quality, smart features, and sleek designs, transforming your living room into a theater-like experience for movies, sports, and gaming enjoyment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Samsung 75-inch television. The Samsung 75-inch television offers an impressive combination of advanced display technology, smooth performance, and immersive audio to transform your viewing experience. The 100% color volume with quantum dot technology takes color reproduction to the next level, transforming light into over a billion stunning shades that remain true at any brightness level. This is further enhanced by Quantum HDR+, which brings a wide range of contrast and brightness for rich, lifelike visuals. Real Depth Enhancer adds a new dimension to viewing, mimicking the way the human eye perceives depth by increasing foreground contrast. Audio is equally immersive, thanks to Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Light, which produce virtual 3D surround sound that follows the action on screen. Even older content benefits from the TV's 4K AI upscaling, which sharpens visuals to near 4K resolution, whether you're watching a live sports game, an HD movie, or family home videos. This TV is not just about exceptional picture and sound, it's also about delivering a premium experience across all types of entertainment. With its blend of cutting-edge technology and smart processing, the Samsung 75-inch television is ideal for those seeking a cinematic experience right in their living room. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or enjoying movie nights, it offers a perfect balance of vibrant color, contrast, smooth motion, and immersive sound, making it a standout choice for anyone upgrading to a large-format 4K display. Number 2. Hisense 75-inch television. The Hisense 75-inch television is designed for those who value rich color reproduction, cinematic audio, and smart functionality in one sleek package. Its QLED color technology utilizes quantum dots to produce over a billion vibrant shades, ensuring every frame is rendered with stunning realism. This makes every detail, from the green of a sports field to the fine lines on a basketball court, pop with clarity and depth. Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos work together to deliver both breathtaking visuals and immersive sound, creating a true theater-like experience in your home. Alexa voice control integration adds convenience. Simply press and ask Alexa to search, launch apps, or control your viewing without lifting more than a finger. Powered by Fire TV, this set places your favorite streaming apps and live TV options front and center, making it easy to access your preferred content quickly. The AI 4K upscaler enhances lower resolution content with sharper edges, improved textures, and more lifelike visuals, so older shows and broadcasts look better than ever. Gamers will enjoy Game Mode Plus with a variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, which eliminates screen tearing and reduce input lag for a smoother, more responsive experience. Motion Rate 120 ensures crisp and clear, whether you're gaming or watching live sports. With its blend of advanced display technology, smart features, and gaming enhancements, the Hisense 75-inch television delivers outstanding performance across entertainment types. From vivid movie nights to competitive gaming sessions, this TV offers the clarity, speed, and convenience needed to satisfy both casual viewers and dedicated home theater enthusiasts.
Number 3. Sony 75-inch television. The Sony 75-inch television brings premium display performance and intelligent processing together for a lifelike, immersive experience. Powered by the cognitive processor XR, it replicates how the human eye perceives depth, contrast, and color, resulting in natural hues, detailed blacks, and high peak brightness. Its full-array LED backlight technology, combined with XR Triluminos Pro, delivers enhanced contrast and billions of accurate colors for a truly cinematic feel. With Google TV built in, you can easily browse all your favorite streaming apps from one interface, and the Google Assistant makes searching and controlling your TV as simple as speaking. For gamers, this TV includes HDMI 2.1 features such as 4K 120Hz, variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode ALM for smooth, responsive play. The game menu centralizes all gaming settings for quick adjustments, giving you an edge in fast-paced games. Whether you're watching blockbuster films, sports, or playing the latest video games, the Sony 75-inch television ensures vivid colors, crisp details, and fluid motion, all wrapped in a premium smart TV experience. Number 4. Samsung Q60D 75-inch television. The Samsung Q60D 75-inch television offers a refined balance of picture quality, smart features, and immersive sound for an exceptional home entertainment upgrade. Its dual LED backlight technology provides natural, accurate contrast by adjusting color tone automatically to match the content you're watching. The 100% color volume with quantum dot technology ensures breathtaking color accuracy and vibrancy at any brightness level, bringing over 1 billion shades to life. The quantum processor light with 4K upscaling sharpens every pixel, enhancing visuals and sound for consistent quality across all sources, ensuring you never miss a detail. The object tracking sound light system delivers virtual 3D audio that follows movement on screen, pulling you deeper into the scene, whether it's a car chase or a concert performance. Quantum HDR enhances color and contrast range, producing dynamic images rich in detail. The AirSlim design blends seamlessly into your space, creating a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic without compromising screen size. With its combination of advanced color processing, motion clarity, and realistic audio, the Samsung Q60D makes movies, shows, and games more engaging. It's a versatile option for those seeking a large-format TV that offers both style and substance.
Number 5. Sony Dolby 75-inch television. The Sony Dolby 75-inch television combines cinematic audiovisual technology with smart features for a premium viewing experience. Running on Google TV, it consolidates your favorite streaming apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and more into one convenient interface. Built-in Google Assistant allows you to search, control playback, and even manage smart home devices with voice commands, while AirPlay 2 and Chromecast support make sharing from mobile devices seamless. The Sony Pictures Core app, formerly Bravia Core, adds value with 5 movie credits for the latest 4K UHD releases and a year's access to a vast library of high-quality films. Picture quality is boosted by the 4K HDR processor X1, which intelligently adjusts contrast, color, and clarity in real time for vibrant, detailed images. Trillionomos POW technology expands the color palette to over 1 billion accurate hues, producing lifelike, vivid visuals. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos combine to deliver a true cinema-like experience at home with rich HDR imagery and immersive 3D surround sound. 4K X Reality Pro upscales lower resolution content for sharper, more refined detail, ensuring that everything you watch benefits from near 4K clarity. Whether for movies, streaming series, or sports, the Sony Dolby 75-inch television offers exceptional performance, intuitive controls, and rich cinematic presentation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.